Just a little fella, but
you can hear him grunting. There you go.
oh, he's got some pull.
Yeah, nice shark, guys. I'm pretty sure it's a black tip reef shark. We're going to take this fella home and do a catch and cook with him. Yeah, straight out of the shop. All right, first taste. That's so good, man. Hey guys, what's going on? Twisted Energy here. Heading down the coast today with Shaun. Yeah guys, we're going to head down to one of the beaches between Cairns and Port Douglas, so hopefully we hook some nice fish for you. Bring it on. Alright, we made it. See, there's a little estuary here. No crocs yet. Nice little estuary, and we're just going to head straight out there. Straight out off the beach, guys. There's supposed to be reef that runs right in close to the beach right here, so hopefully we get some nice fish along the edge. Bit of a deep channel between the beach and the reef, so hopefully it's holding fish for us. But for now, get all our gear out and get some sick drone shots first. Hold on. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Bzz. I'm getting my sick drone shots. Alright, let's do this, guys.
just a little fella, but nice.
You know what that is? Looks like a grunter. Grunter of some sort. Settle, mate, settle. Calm. Calm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you can hear him grunting. There you go. Nice little fella, not sure what he is. See you later, little fella.
Oh, he's got some pull. Black tip.
Got a little suckerfish on him.
Oh.
Yeah, nice shark, guys. I'm pretty sure it's a black tip reef shark. We're going to take this fella home and do a catch and cook with him. Be a nice nice feed. You can see I've hooked his gills or something, so he is bleeding out. And keep fishing for now and hopefully hook a couple more of these. Every time I get smudgies. It's better! Alright guys, we're going to head off to a different spot now. Not sure if we're going to head to the fresh water yet. We might try a bit further down for a little bit. But for now, let's get the shark on some ice. So we'll be doing a catch and cook. I don't know if it'll be in this episode. If we've got enough time, it will be. We'll get this fella on ice, guys, and go try a different spot. Alrighty. Well, we made it back to Shaun's. I'm gonna get the shark filleted and get him cooked up for yous. And if we got any time left, we'll head down the back to the freshwater creek. See if we can't get a nice big sooty as well, guys. What are you using, the Weber? Weber. Alright, that's one fillet off, guys. Pretty nice, sort of butchered it a bit. I didn't get all the meat off the back here, but we'll get that off after. And that's basically what we're after. I'll take the skin off that one in a minute and get this side off. Alright, two nice fillets. It's nice, probably not going to be sharp enough, but that's doing alright. This is how you skin a fillet. Twister style. Little bit of meat on there, but look at that. Beautiful. This is why I never throw sharks back, guys. They got such thick meat on them, and that's going to be tasty as. Fucking drop bears. The drop bears are coming. Pow! Straight out of the shop. Beautiful. Alright guys, the grill's just about ready. We got a bit of butter and coriander on there. Salt and pepper, a bit of lime, and our fillets. Just let this heat up a little bit. Pass your tongs. Nummy. Squeeze some lime on. I think I said lemon before, I meant lime, guys. Alright, we'll give that a couple minutes each side and should be sweet. Oh yeah. Check that out, looks beautiful. Got a little bit more salt and pepper too. Bush background. A bit more salt. Good dose of ground black pepper. Black pepper. Alright guys, this fish should be done now. It's been in there for about 6-7 minutes. Oh yeah. break apart a bit. Alright, nummies. Yes, we were cooking on plastic. Teflons. Nice. Alright, first taste. That's so good, man. You're up. That's prime. Absolutely prime. Doesn't get much fresher than that, man. Look at that, guys. So nice and tender. Absolutely awesome. So tender, man. Look at it. It's beautiful. That's so good. It's a little bit of coriander, guys, a little bit of butter, salt and pepper. Beautiful. And don't forget the lime or lemon. It really tops it all. Lots of coriander on that piece. Bit of dipping sauce. What's that one?
Koopy.
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 Bit of koopy, whatever that is. Bit of coops.
Coops. Koopy.
Some coops.
Like a mayonnaise.
Weird flavour. Like mustard seed sort of. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Definitely worth keeping a nice shark like that when you hook them. Very tasty if you cook them right. So we had a pretty good day down there. We ended up hooking a few little fish at the start. Not sure what they were. Some sort of grunter. You could hear them grunting. And then we hooked onto that nice shark, guys. We are going to go fishing down the back here now for freshwater fish, but you're going to have to wait till next episode to see that one. In saying all that, I think that's going to be it for today. If you've enjoyed hanging out, smash the like button for us, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Till next time!
Oh, yep. Look at that eel tail. Instantly, boy. Check that out, guys. Glad I had that camera recording them. Shaun's first time fishing the back of his house. Half his tail's missing. Big chunk missing out. Definitely would be another catch and cook this, so we'll definitely have to come back, I think. Awesome. Let him go, spear him in.